Well, hello guys, and thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome to Finland. My name is Dave and I'm currently sitting in a town nearby. I'm here to pick up some stuff from hardware stores and I will show you. Why is it doing that? As you saw, the fuel prices is really expensive here in Finland right now. I don't know, maybe it will get more expensive, but we will see. I hope I will manage to live and get some bread on the table and fuel in my tanks. But, well, it can be it's expensive times coming this summer. But let's not be depressed about that. Life has to go on, and in this video I'm going to try to finish the chain mulcher build. As many of you know, I have built a chain mulcher this winter and I have 4 videos about that. And now I will try to continue with that. And also in this video I'm going to do some work on a John Deere tractor, so that will be interesting. So I hope you're okay, guys. Take care and enjoy the video. Yeah, it's really warm weather here now. The snow has melted and we have like 15 plus degrees Celsius here now. But yeah, let's go to Biltema. This is ABC Kokkola. Do you see any cars? Well, Biltema, here we come. Koko perheen tavaratalo, Biltema. Well, just gonna try to drive through the tractor shop here. See what they have. That's maybe my favorite. So a trailer like that, it's 18,000 euros with no taxes. So I don't know what that is in dollars with taxes, but this is 20,000. And there's a cool wheel loader. That's something I really need. But we aren't there yet. They who know, they know. There's another YouTuber right there. Motonet. Ui. Puuilo. Well, let's take a look at Lantmännen Agro. LH stuff. Stone pickers. Nice. I seeing? That would be really nice to have. Should I buy this one? M1080. Seems a little bit rusty, but maybe it have some years left. Pretty big cabin up there. Yeah. Machines. But farming isn't paying off right now in Finland. It's just an hobby. It's way too... Oh, look at that. Oh, it's really hot in the car. It's probably the time to remove the long underpants. Now it's time for coffee and bananas. Cheers, my friends. The most important meal of the day. And now we are home. Well. On to the next project. So now it's time to put the gearbox into that hole, but before that I need to lift this up and tape the bolt from the underside. Yeah. This ain't gonna go well. I need to take the mini loader. Haha. That went well. Can somebody come and hold this for me? Okay, now I have tightened down each and every one a few times, so it should hold. But you wanna have it really tight because it's vibrating a lot, so. What's up? Well, I think I made it inside without scratching or damaging anything. This is the first time I have a huge tractor like this inside the workshop. It wasn't easy, but it's manageable. So the tires on this is Trelleborg 650 by 65 R38 inch. So pretty okay size. And yeah, what else? Pretty huge loader on this. So my work task is simple. I need to drill 4 holes in the rims for dual wheels. So dual wheels will come with these fasteners with bolts and then chained together. So we will test this Weaver thing, if this will manage to drill the holes. I guess I will try. Something like that. I don't know if it's the best choice here to drill the holes between the already existing holes, because I'm a little afraid that it will crack here, but let's do it anyway. Okay, I should wear safety glasses. Well, first hole made. I think this will work. I guess I have 7 holes left to do. Oppalei. You know the drill. Okay, done drilling. It went pretty smoothly. I have nothing to complain about. I got lucky this time because I didn't have to make a holder for my mag drill. I could stick it right to the rim. It was a little bit shaky and really hard to push it on and hold it tight when drilling, but I managed to do it. I'm a little shaky in my hands after the Quasimodo stuff. Well, here's the axles. I have had them on the shelf for many years already, waiting for this project. I don't know if they are going to fit, but let's check. I think I will have to retighten the nut when I have run the machine a little, because it was so much paint in between, but it will be tight for a second. Whoop. Oh yes. So inside this wheel the chains are coming, and but I don't know in which way the flywheel and that comes. If the flywheel needs to be on this backside of this rotor stuff. I haven't had the time to do my research on this, but maybe if somebody of you may know where to put that, should it be on the downside or the upside here? Yeah, but I don't have the chains now, so I will leave this for last. Maybe I should do the axles now. Yeah, but guys, change in plans. I wanna install the rubber mats that comes there, and now I will give you a short video when I was cutting out this from a old elevator rubber mat. So let's measure out and cut out. I don't know, maybe I should put the bolt the other way. I'm not sure about this, but maybe it's prettiest to have it from the outside. Then through the rubber. Yes. And then through this. First I was kinda thinking I'm going to put the rubber onto this, but you see the marks. But I figure it looks better if it's underneath. Tell me what you think. They have painted the tractor towards that, so I'm just gonna try to put it that way then. Then this pin is coming there, but I can't film that, it's too tight. You see, it's way too long, I need to shorten it. Oh, it's so much to do. So the end looks like this, and apparently there is splines just here in the end, so that means I need to shorten this PTO axle from this end. So now I need to open up the plastic cover, pull off everything, and then cut it from here, and hopefully I think that would be an option, or it has to be my option. But guys, I just wanna get a video out for you this Sunday, so I think I have to sadly end this video here, because I'm not going to kerkeä. I'm not going to have time to finish this. It's too much work, I have no time left, and this is Saturday evening, so I better go home and start editing this video for you guys. But I promise you I will finish this someday, but I need some more time here, because I have thousands and thousands projects going on in different places, so I hope you understand. I still think I will cut off these bolts so the brushes won't stick to them. Yeah. A question I have also is how much oil should I put in these Bundioli and Pavesi bevel gears? I think this gear should have 1.7 liter, and if I don't remember wrong, this should have 1.2 liter. But guys, be kind and correct me if I'm wrong. I think I will end the video here. Thanks for watching. Keep doing some projects yourself, and stay healthy and eat some snacks. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.